Go to shader editor. Click new. Add a brick texture. Press Ctrl T. Connect to object. Change colors. Put scale to 1.15. Mortar size to 0.003. Mortar smoothness to 1. Bias to -0.7. Put X in mapping to 0.65 and Y 1.4. Add a color ramp. Tweak it. Add another color ramp. Add a bump node to normal. Connect color ramp to height. Tweak the color ramp for smoothness. Add a wave texture. Duplicate mapping. Connect to object. Put X in mapping to 0.035, Y to 0.27. Put scale to 17. Distortion to higher number. Detail to 2.3. Detail roughness to 1. Add a color ramp. Change colors. Add a mix RGB node. Change to overlay. Factor to 1. Add a noise texture. Duplicate mapping. Connect to object. Put X to 0.4, Y to 11. Put scale to 30. Detail to 8. Roughness to 0.85. Add a color ramp. Add a mix RGB to height and bump node. Factor to 0.025. Connect these two colors.